Greetings and good afternoon, everyone. Nice to see all of you here today. I would like to thank you for attending this meeting today. I wish not to waste any time, so how about we begin with our first agenda? Shall we start?
Sure.
Okay, I trust you all have the agenda in front of you. So let's begin with the first agenda. Are there any apologies of the absence for today's meeting?
Yes, Miss Aritas cannot able attend the meeting today because she is on medical leave for 2 weeks.
Alright, thank you, Miss Joey. Alright, we can proceed to the next agenda, minutes of the last meeting.
Yes.
Please read through the minute of the last meeting, which were distributed earlier. And I believe that all of you have looked at the document. Are there any amendments?
Yes, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Rashid from the Event Management Committee asked me about the preparation of company visit by student from Selangor Matriculation College. I would like to convey my visitor management standard operating procedure SOP to Mr. Rashid.
Okay, thank you for your update, Ms. Africa. In a May, I will send an email to Milani allowing SOP document.
Thank you, Ms. Afika, for pointing it out. Are there any other amendments?
No.
Alright, then can someone propose the minute to be accepted so that we can move to the next agenda?
I propose the minute to be accepted. I second the motion.
Okay, let's proceed to the next agenda. Any matters arising?
Yes, Mr. Chairman, I would like to inform you that we are still waiting for the technical for LE Lab SDM High to do tank inspection of our spectrophotometers. We've been waiting for quite some time now. I need permission for this meeting to send the follow-up email to their administration.
Thank you for your suggestion, Zaini. Does anyone agree with the request?
Yeah, sure.
You may proceed, Ms. Zaini. Any other matters need to be discussed?
No. I propose the minute to be accepted.
I second the motion.
Thank you both, Ms. Afika and Ms. Joey. So let's proceed to the next agenda. So let's discuss the first issue that concerns digital disruption and increasing cyber threats in our operation. Can I have someone to briefly elaborate the problem?
Yes, Mr. Chairman. The prevalence of cyber attack in industrial company has increased in recent years. That includes ransomware, data breaches and IP theft. Last year, we recorded almost 66 incidents of digital disruption across our website. This attack largely affected our critical employee, management data, and the integrity of our research.
To illustrate it, allow me to present the screen to share this. The amount of cyber attack is increasing every year. As we are moving to the digital-based management of our research, a substantial amount of this attack origin from the real-time digital interaction and record in our backlogs.
I see. This is indeed the urgent matter to be discussed, to be addressed. I would like to see some perspective about our step to solve this.
So, in my point of view, we can develop software that is ransomware resistant. This software can be designed for contaminant recovery and data integrity. And by using different methods such as append-only log and time retention log, the attacker can overwrite and encrypt all data. To control the data access layer, the detection of mass write and high entropy data spikes can trigger early warning of digital intrusion and safeguard our data encryption key.
I agree. This is an effective initiative to safeguard our data. It does not guarantee that our data is safe from any cyber attack, but it focuses on minimum damage and fast recovery. It also ensures that our data will not be silently encrypted by an attacker.
In a May, I would like to convey the idea to IT department to ask for their opinion or recommendation, so that we can add more expertise value in this matter. Thank you.
Great, Mr. Joy, and I can make this happen. I would like to propose the motion to be accepted.
I I second the motion.
Thank you both, Ms. Afika and Ms. Joey. I expect an update for this matter by the end of this week, right?
Sure, Mr. Chairman.
Alright, move on to the next agenda of the meeting today. The second issue is the inadequate bioprocess automation and scale-up issues. Does anyone have any thoughts about this issue? Feel free to share so that we can look forward for the next steps to resolve it.
Okay, let me be blunt, Mr. Chairman. The manual nature of cell gene therapy, CGT, manufacturing create bottleneck, increase cost, and introduce variability that can affect product quality.
I'm hungry too.
Excuse me, if there is any matter you would like to discuss, please wait for your turn to speak about it.
Okay.
Right now, please respect the order of the meeting. You may continue, Ms. Aini.
Okay, automation represent a critical solution pathway in implementing automate system for biological processes that it required human intervention. This industry is now developing novel technology to reduce manual handling.
Well, it would be a hindrance to our operation management that can erode our reputation. So what is your solution to this?
Personally, I propose to integrate the closed loop processing automatic. Our sample can be screened to detect deviation and apply immediate corrective action. This can minimize human handling, and this can prevent out of spec condition and reduce batch loss probability.
So, I disagree. I would agree that it will take a lot of investment to purchase and manage the delicate instrument. Inline sensor and AI-driven analytic can be used to detect the deviation much faster and make accurate root causes analysis and early warning signals. Besides, it will be very cost-effective.
I see your point, Ms. Afika. The cost management is our concern to address this issue. However, AI analytic have much more advantage, such as it detect the issue after the data. Aggression, which typically is often retrospective and predictive, not corrective in real time. It is also less effective at stopping the loss which is caused by batch failure or contamination even once it starts. That loss will contribute to the huge cost of management, not to mention that the AI-driven analytics is less regulated by any standard.
Okay, there are two solutions here, Ms. Aini's solution and Mrs. Afika's solution. So let's work to see which solution that we can agree on. For Ms. Aini's solution, please raise your hand for those who agree. Okay, for Ms. Afika's solution, please raise your hand for those who agree. Okay, alright, we have the majority. So it is resolved that we integrate the closed loop processing automation.
I can volunteer to do any research for the instrument. So if I may, I need your insight on this matter, Mr. Aini.
Sure, I would like to propose the motion be accepted.
I second the motion.
Alright, thank you both Ms. Aini and Ms. Afika. I'm glad we reached the resolution for this issue. I would like to have your proposal on my desk by the end of this month. Now, let's proceed to the next agenda. Okay, the next agenda is any other business. Anyone who would like to start?
I would like to start, Mr. Chairman. In the upcoming Chinese New Year celebration, Mr. Lee would like for our commit to participate in the decoration of Chinese New Year celebration, such as lantern at our office room.
Okay, well, we need to see the matter. Me, Africa, and I will manage the collection for the Chinese New Year celebration in our office room.
Good. It is nice to see some decoration and festivities even in the working space. So, okay, are there any other matters to be discussed?
No.
Alright, now we can proceed to the last agenda of the meeting. Do we have date, time, day and the venue for the next meeting?
Yes, Mr. Mayor. The next meeting will be held on Tuesday, 24 February 2026 and afternoon 1 p.m. The venue of next meeting will be called in meeting room 1. Can accept the notice of agenda of our next meeting to all members near the kind of meeting.
Sure thing.
Sure things.
Alright, if that's all, I would like the meeting today to be adjourned. Thank you for the attendance today, and I look forward for the next meeting.